Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use Keka, a free and open source file compression and extraction app on macOS. One quick thing to note is that if you install Keka from the App Store, you'll see that it costs around $5. This fee is mainly to support the developer, so if you'd like to support them, you can go ahead and install it from the App Store. But if you want to use Keka completely for free, you can visit the official website at keka.io, which you can see on the screen right now. When you open this link, the Keka installer will be downloaded automatically. After the download is complete, just double-click the installer file, then drag the Keka icon into the Applications folder. And that's it, Keka is now installed. Next, let's take a look at how to use Keka for basic compression and extraction. For example, here I have a zip file. To extract it, right-click on the file, choose Services, then select Extract using Keka. After that, you'll get an extracted folder like this. To compress files or folders, select the files and folders you want to compress, right-click on them, choose Services, and then click Compress using Keka. If you don't see this option, you can choose Open With, then select Other, go to the Applications folder, find Keka, and click Open. Keka will then create a compressed file using the default format, which is 7Z. Unfortunately, Keka doesn't let you choose the compression format at the moment you compress a file. Instead, you need to open the Keka app first. After that, click Keka, choose Settings, then go to the Compression tab. Here, you'll see an option called Default Format. This is where you can choose the format you want. For example, I'll select TAR. From now on, every time you compress files, Keka will create a TAR file. So if you want to change the compression format, you need to set it in Keka's settings before compressing your files. Finally, if you want to use Keka as the default compression and extraction app on macOS, you'll need to set this for each file format. For example, with zip files, right-click on any zip file and choose Get Info. In the Open With section, change the app to Keka, then click Change All and select Continue. From now on, whenever you double-click a zip file, it will be automatically extracted using Keka. So that's it for this video. I've shown you how to install and use Keka on macOS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and check out more videos in my macOS Archive Tools playlist. I've left the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.